Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making hot water cornbread. You will need 2 cups of cornmeal, 1½ cups of hot water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and canola oil for frying. In a large bowl, add the cornmeal, salt, sugar. Mix until well combined, then set it aside until later. Add the water to a pot, then bring to a boil. Remove the water from the heat and set it aside. Now carefully add the hot water to the cornmeal mixture and mix until well combined. Using a large spoon, shape your cornmeal into patties. Bring your oil to 350 degrees. Fry your cakes for 2½ minutes on each side or until they are golden brown. After 5 minutes, remove them from the pan, then place them on paper towels to remove the excess oil. This is a classic yet easy recipe for hot water cornbread. I really hope you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to craft